Hello students, this is Rachna Pandey. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine and we are also doing good in your life. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter in our GK classes. Okay, and our chapter is world famous paintings. Okay, the chapter number 41. And our topic is world famous paintings. World famous paintings. Chapter is 41. Chapter number 41. Look at the paintings. They have been divided into two halves and spread over both the pages. Identify and match both the halves using the given clue. Okay? Look at the paintings. यहाँ पर in our book there are so many paintings and they are divided into two parts. Okay? इन्होंने पेंटिंग्स को दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है इन ऑल ओवर द पेजेस. They have been divided into two halves and spread over both the page. Identify, हमें यहाँ पर we have to identify the paintings, okay, from the pages. And here is also clue is given, so we have to match them. Beta, here is our first painting, the School of Athens. The first painting name is School of Athens. ओके, फर्स्ट पेंटिंग का क्या नाम है? द स्कूल ऑफ एथेंस. एंड द स्कूल ऑफ एथेंस मैच्ड विथ the figure F. Okay, matched with the figure F. Raphael. Raphael. Okay. And he is the painter of this painting. In this portion beta, we write about the name of the painting. Painting. Okay. And in this portion, the artist. who create the painting. Okay, so the school of Athens artist is Raphael. And beta, now our second painting is the last super, the last super, the last super. Okay, beta. So the last super we matched with Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, the last super matched with the next, which is the Leonardo da Vinci. And our third, the La Mose. Okay, and fourth painting is the Battle of Alexander. Okay, so the fourth painting is the Battle of Alexander. And fifth painting is the Starry Night. The Starry Night. And the sixth number painting is the Flute Concert. The Flute Concert. And the seventh painting is the Last Judgment. Okay, the seventh painting name is the Last Judgment. First, beta, we have to write the paintings. Then after we will write about that artist name. Okay. So now the 8th number painting is the fire. The fire. And the next painting name is, which is the 9th number painting, the marriage of the Virgin. The marriage of the Virgin. And the 10th Painting name is Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa. एंड आई होप आप सभी ने मोनालिसा पेंटिंग्स के बारे में जरूर कभी न कभी सुना होगा. ओके, अबाउट दिस पेंटिंग्स स्माइल. ओके, now the 10th painting is completed and now here we are going to write about the artist name. Okay. The artist of the Llama Mouse name is Pablo Picasso. Okay, the painting of the Llama Mouse is connected with Pablo Picasso, and then after the Battle of Alexander paintings artist is Albrecht Aldover. Aldover. Okay. The Battle of Alexander's painting artist name is Albrecht Aldover. And now the 5th painting artist name is which is the Starry Night. The Starry Night paintings name is Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh. Okay, and the flute. The next painting name is the flute concert. The flute concert. Adolf, and the artist name is Adolf Mendel. Okay, Adolf Mendel. And the last judgment painting, the last judgment paintings artist name is Michelangelo. Okay, and painting the fire. The fire paintings artist is Giuseppe Archie Boldo. Here say as in boldo. Okay. And he is the artist of the painting The Fire. And the ninth painting, The Marriage of the Virgin, is the artist name is Raphael. The artist name is Raphael. And now the painting Mona Lisa, artist name is Leonardo da Vinci. Okay. Leonardo da Vinci. Clear? So now completed the painting and their artist name is here. Now beta you can take a screenshot. Then after I will discuss about more paintings and their author and their artist. Okay. Now you can take a screenshot. The 11th number painting Electric Prism. Painting name is Electric Prism. And the next, the 12th number painting name is The Battle of Anghiari. The Battle of Okay. And the 13th number painting is The Woman of Algiers. The Woman of Algiers. And our 14th painting name is Mountains and Sea. The 15th number painting is Mountains and Sea. Okay. And now I am going to write about the artist name. Electric Prism artist name is Sonia Delaunay. Sonia Delaunay. And the artist name of The Battle of Anghiari is Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, and the woman of Algiers is, artist name is Eugene Delacroix. Eugene Delacroix. Okay, Eugene Delacroix. And the 14th number painting artist name is Helen Frank Keller. Helen Frank Keller. Okay. Now it is completed. You can take a screenshot. The paintings and their artist name is now completed. Okay beta, so today our GK class is completed now, and thank you class.